33% of annual costs associated with healthcare-acquired infections come from surgical site infections. Too often, surgical site infections are the result of superficial or incomplete cleaning of surgical tools. Medical professionals need an effective cleaning solution that doesn't rely on contact time, water type, or temperature. Not all solutions are created equally, and they work in different ways. The type of product used in cleaning may impact the final sterilization and function of your tool. For example, enzymatic cleaners require a specific water temperature to optimize the cleaning enzymes. The enzymes grab hold of the debris or change it as much as they can. The longer the equipment soaks, the more debris the enzymes can attach to. However, some instruments, such as Stryker power tools, cannot be soaked per their instructions for use, potentially limiting the enzyme's effectiveness. Furthermore, if the water temperature fluctuates, so does the cleaning power of the enzymes. Lastly, when the enzymes grab hold of or change the debris, some debris may reattach to the surface and is no longer targeted by the cleaning enzymes. Stryker's Blu62 is surfactant-based. Surfactants are surface agents that work much differently. Blu62 is made up of surfactants, not enzymes, that are attracted to both water and debris. The proprietary Blu62 formula also contains a unique water heating chemical that helps in the cleaning process. Surfactants in Blu62 are attracted to the debris on the equipment. The water-hating chemicals in Blu62 encapsulate the debris by surrounding it and actively driving under it at the surface. The water-loving chemicals then pull the debris off of the equipment. When the enzyme cleaner is rinsed, the enzymes then pull pieces of debris off, leaving both debris and changed enzymatic residue behind. This residue, if left on equipment, may cause corrosion to vital components. When Blu62 is rinsed, all debris is completely rinsed off the piece of equipment, leaving no residue. Blu62 does not need a temperature to activate. It does not require soaking for a specified period of time, and when rinsed, 100% of Blu62 is rinsed off with the debris. Blu62 is Stryker's commitment to our customers to maintain best-in-class quality throughout the life cycle of our power tools.